So in today's video we are going to solve the mathematics stand-up paper. Actually that is the set 3 and the QR code is 30 /3/3. So 40 marks question. We have section 1. It was a question in which in the figure 1 PQ and PR are the tangent to the circle concentrated at the O. So we need to prove that the ORPQ is a square. So if you have proved it by the arches congruency similarity congruency criteria, then it would be, I guess, correct for you. And the second one is the mode. So the mode of this distribution was 46 answer, and the third answer is 15. Let me show you how it was 46. First of all, the highest was 23, so it would be this class. The model class will be this class. So here we go. The 45 plus it would be your f1, it would be your f0, and it would be your f2. So the formula is f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So it would be something like 45 plus 1 upon 10 into 10, it would be 1, and 46 would be your answer. So next question is the first find the common difference d on the AP whose first term is 10 and the sum of the first 14 term is 1505. Okay, so we will solve it here. So actually where it is given that a is equal 10 and s14 is given that it is 1505. So we need to find the d. Okay, so here we go. S14 is equal to 7 into 20 plus 13 into d. So 1505 upon 7 minus 20 is equal to 13d. So it would be something like 195 is equal to 13d. So our next question is, so here the right answer is 15. And then our fourth question is for what value n are the nth terms of an AP itna and itna. So the answer is 7. Now it is so simple question, I don't think that I need to tell you that. So the fifth A question was like this, and the answer for this was x is equal to a minus 2b and a plus 2b. So actually I left the answer like minus 2b and minus a and plus 2b and plus a. I don't know if they will give me marks or not in this, but it is actually correct. And in the sixth one, from A and B, I think you might have solved the B one, because most of the children had solved this one because it was quite simpler, and you can see the solution here, and the answer was coming 504 centimeter square. And from here, section B, the seventh question was we need to find the height of cliff, that is AB, and AB was coming like 40 root 3 minus 40. And the eighth question, there was we need to find the median. So median was getting 1748. You can see the solution or the formula. It was very easy question. You can solve it by your own also. And the ninth question was construction, and it was even both question was very easy. I had done the A1, and the 10th one answer was 28 on 28. And in the 11th one, actually in the 10th one, you can see the solution here. The xi I have written down. I have done this with the formula FIDI, and the answer was getting something like 28, because the sigma FIDI was coming like 300, and sigma FI was coming like 100. So it was f sigma fi, and xi is upon xi was getting like 3, and 3 plus our a, that was the assumed mean, was getting like 25. So 25 plus 3 was getting like 28, and that was our final answer. So, and then we have just reached to the section C, and the answer for this question was 54.6, and PQ was 94.6. Because let me tell you, the answer was coming something like 20 root 3 plus 3 for the PX, and 20 root 3 plus 60 for the what PQ. So this was the question answer. I think that you might have solved this correctly. I hope you have done nicely. And the from the 12, the 12 B was quite easy. I had solved this one. The let me tell you how. Like AO was 5 centimeter, it was given, and OP was 13 centimeter, so AP was 12 centimeter, very clearly by Pythagoras theorem. Then CP was 12 minus x, and AC was equal to CB, exterior point. And so 12 minus x, and CB was x, and BP was 8. So by using again Pythagoras theorem, we was getting like BC was 10 by 3. So if we move to the 13th question, the A was getting something like 2x square minus 9x plus 24, and the B was 3 upon 2. Let me tell you how it was getting like this equation. Actually it was that equation was 12 minus 2x into 7 minus 2x is equal to 36. Let me tell you, if there was a rectangular swimming pool with the equal width all over, even width all over its boundaries, so let's make it x meter. And one thing that I am having trouble in this question is on the B section, because in the B section there was the option for there was a they were getting two answers, that was 3 upon 2 and 8, but I had not eliminated 8. I had written it could be 3 upon 2 or it could be 8. I don't know how much marks will they give me. Please tell me how marks will they give me. But I do want to score 40 out of 40 in this examination. Because I had prepared a lot in this. So but this answer was 3 upon 2. And next we move to our last case study. That was the hardest case study for me. So our first answer was quite easy. It was 2200, but the B one was a little bit tricky, because it was based on concept. So let me tell you, it was getting like something like 0.974 kg. And let me tell you my answer was 9.77 kg. So this little bit of dot or point just left me the dream to score 40 out of 40. So thank you. If you like my video, please like the channel, please like the video and subscribe the channel.